Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. It's the day before Thanksgiving and we're going to make an almond cake. First we blanch the almonds by boiling them in water and then the skin comes right off. This is John Paul's invention.
Waffle pizza.
Yeah. You like it?
We can set it in a restaurant.
I like doing this part. Now we're gonna put the almonds in the blender. Middle of the cheesecloth. Let John Paul do it. That's almond milk and almond meal, and we're gonna separate it. That's almond milk with a lot of almond meal. We're gonna separate. Get ready to squeeze it. And squeeze it there.
My name is Mickey Mouse.
Ready? Don't let it go. So that's the almond milk, and that's the almond meal. And we'll bake that in the oven. And we'll put this in the refrigerator. That's how you make almond flour. Almond milk. About a tablespoon. Salt. Pinch of salt. Now a little honey. My favorite part. Chocolate. Alright, let's put it into the pan. Put it right in there. Good. It's gonna be good. Do you think they look tasty? Wait, I'll give you some. I'll give you not that one. I'll give you Now it's Thanksgiving Day and it's time for the annual Pumpkin Smash Festival.
Maybe you might be behind bars this year.
Oh, wait. We want to collect the seeds, so let's not put them in the mat. Oh, let's put it maybe right here. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh. 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 Whoa. All right, let's get the seeds.
Pumpkin seeds for Jumpy. Yeah, I'll give the pumpkins. I'll give Jumpy.
Some of them.
Yeah.
It's like it's a Christmas Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Christmas, Thanksgiving.
Amy's eating the cake.
Merry Thanksgiving and Happy Christmas.
That's right.
Or whatever.
Oh, coasters.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
called the strawberry
Very nice.
leaf.
And I love them. I love them. Cake.
Isn't that? You discovered my trick. That was a really special Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving afternoon, so my parents are driving back up the mountain. We had cake and seeds and tea, and I feel like Julia Childs.
because this is like our first Thanksgiving all together because of Amy's autism and whatnot, and it was a really fun and peaceful time. And so now John Paul is playing with the kids from next door. They have a big family gathering. They have a big tent set up, and I guess more and more people are going to be coming. So he's playing with those kids, and I'm sitting out here in my garden. I'm going to crochet a thing, maybe like a little placemat type thing. I don't know. And I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the afternoon, feeling super grateful today. Grateful for my parents, my family, my husband and kids. It was a really wonderful Thanksgiving. So may God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.